Hello everyone, it's me Saksham and today we'll be doing unboxing video of this trimmer. Okay, as you can see over here, its name is Promax Gold Professional Trimmer. As you can see, this is image. It's very nice trimmer. So if you want to know about this trimmer, then please watch this video till the end. Okay everyone, so as you can see here, this is our trimmer. This is its box. As you can see over here, here is the photo of the trimmer and its name is Promax Gold Professional, as you can see over here. And here are given some of the features of this. As you can see here, 5 fine tuning speed. Okay, it means that we can tune this trimmer in 5 different speed. Okay, you want to cut the beard in fast speed or slow speed, like that 5 different speed there are. And here is 5 hours battery, means one time the battery is fully charged, this trimmer can work for 5 hours. As you can see over here, that's very long life battery. And here is ultra low mute design. Okay, means while cutting the beard, this trimmer will make very low sound. Okay, it won't disturb anyone else. And economical design means this is looking very good, as you can see over here in picture, so that easily. And strong power means its power also very strong. Okay, means it uses very less power also, and then it cuts very strong, means in very force way. Okay, it cuts the beard. And quick charge, long life batteries. As you can see, this battery will also charge very quickly. Now let me show you inside of this trimmer how it is. So first of all, as you can see, okay, so these things we get inside our trimmer. Okay, as you can see here, first thing we get is this manual. As you can see over here, here is written how to operate this trimmer. Inside it also here written, as you can see, it's a 4 to 5 page, so you can read it. And the next thing we get is this brush, as you can see over here, and this brush is used to clean the trimmer. Okay, so after cutting a beard, we have to clean the trimmer. Okay, so you can clean it with this brush. Okay, if you use any other brush also, that's okay, but this brush is made for this trimmer, you know, with this small blade design, so you can use this brush only. And then next thing we get here is this liquid, as you can see over here, and this liquid is used to maintain the trimmer. Okay, means its durability, means when you cut the hair beard, then you have to apply few drops of this liquid in the trimmer's blade. Okay, so, and then you have to clean that with this brush so that the trimmer won't get damaged easily. And then next thing we get is, as you can see over here, this is the trimmer's battery. Okay, we get 2 batteries in this trimmer. One will be already inside this trimmer and one is here, as you can see. So let me show you this battery. As you can see here, and there is one more special thing about this battery, that is with this battery, as you can see over here, here is the plug, and we can also use the trimmer while charging. Okay, means you can also plug the trimmer in the charge, and then you can also use this. And this is the battery. As you can see, this part will go in the trimmer and then it will operate. And if you don't want to use with the battery, then you can also plug the trimmer's charge over here and then you can use it. Next thing we get is this charger. As you can see, I already said you, this is the charger of the battery, and if you want to use the trimmer also with this charger, you can use. As you can see, this battery, and this will fit here like this. So you can also put this battery in the trimmer and then use it while charging. And here we get some fine blades to adjust how much beard you want to cut. As you can see here, we get 4 types of blade like this. Last thing we get is our trimmer. Okay, as you can see, this is very good and its grip is also very nice. Okay, it's getting very nice feeling while holding this, as you can see. And this is the on off button. Now let me show you where the battery is kept. Okay, so in this trimmer, this back side part here the battery is kept. As you can see, that same plug which I showed you in the battery, yes, that only it is. So we have to first of all rotate it and we have to open this. Okay, and as you can see here, this is its battery. That same battery I already showed you over here. We get 2 batteries, one will be inside the trimmer and one is here, as you can see. So similar way we have to keep the batteries also. As you can see, here is also given in the correct way how we have to keep the batteries, so we have to keep it also in that way, as you can see here. just put it like this. And then when you want to use the trimmer with battery also you can use. When you want to use it by plugging it, then also you can use it, as you can see. So as you saw, I on it, its sound is also very low, as you can see. Here is its on off switch, as you can see over here. And this only is that 5-speed adjusting, as you can see I had showed you in the picture. So we can adjust from 0.8 millimeter to like this, we can spin it and adjust up to 2 millimeter. Okay, so how much beard you want to cut, according to that you can adjust it. Okay, now as you can see over here, here is the blade from where the trimmer cuts our beard. When I on it, then it doesn't vibrate also too much, as you can see here. It's not vibrating also too much, so it will be very easy to cut the beard also if you buy this. This is very good. Okay, and this grip is also very nice, as you can see while I'm holding. It's not vibrating also that much, as you can see over here. Here is written the name of the trimmer. As you can see, the blades, they are moving also. So this was a very good trimmer. Okay, as I already showed you everything. Now this much was only for unboxing, and this is its box, so you can also arrange everything and keep this in its box so that it won't get damaged. And this brush also you can use it to clean whenever you need. See, this brush you can just do like this. And this paste also you need to open the blade, okay, for that, but now I don't know how to open the blade. So as you can see here, we have got this brush, so we can clean this trimmer with this brush also, like this, after cutting the beard. And you can also apply few drops of this liquid here and then clean it, so it will be very useful and it will help to maintain the health of this trimmer. As you can see over here, we got these 5 different adjustable blades. So how to keep this is that, as you can see over here, here we have to just swipe it, okay, like this in this trimmer. So as you saw, after the swiping it got fitted, as you see. Now how to take out is, you again have to put it little bit force and then take it out, okay, like this. So it is also very simple to use, and this trimmer is also very good, so you can use this if you want. And it's of 2000 IC, which is very good price for this trimmer. So I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like this trimmer and if you want to buy this trimmer, then the link is in the comments. It's of 2000 IC, so please buy, and thank you for watching.